GIT, it is very important topic in for TQM examination perspective, and this is the Japanese technology, Japanese concept in there our GIT. GIT is the full form is just in time manufacturing in there our GIT. GIT जो है वो इज एक जापानीज प्रोटेक्शन मैनेजमेंट फिलॉसफी है जिसमें कि हम लोग अप्लाइड करते हैं इन प्रैक्टिस सिंस अर्ली 1970 से मैनी जापानीज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है इसको अप्लाई करती है जीआईटी टाइम जस्ट इन टाइम। और ये काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट है एसोसिएटेड है विद इमरजेंस ऑफ जीआईटी इन जापान। और साथ ही साथ ये वर्क एथिक्स emerged shortly after the World War II and was seen as an integral part of Japanese economic success. In addition बात करें तो GIT also emerged as a means of obtaining the highest level of uses out of limited resource available. तो यहाँ पर देखा कि in addition GIT also emerge कर रहा है means of obtaining the highest level of uses out of limited resource available. Faced with relationship in their manufacturing process also, and this involves reducing waste and this इसका जो कंसेप्ट एक्चुअली बात करते हैं तो ये इन्वॉल्व रिड्यूसिंग वेस्ट एंड यूजिंग मटेरियल्स और उसके रिसोर्स इन मोस्ट इफिशिएंट मैनर पॉसिबल। जबकि जो जीआईटी है इसकी फिलॉसफी डेवलप हुई थी एज द रिजल्ट ऑफ aversion to waste, that is your anything which does not contribute to value is considered as a waste, and including the scrap and rework also. So continuous improvement is the key. Continuous improvement is key, and this achieved by a focus on a continuous strategy of a small improvement known as the Japan as a Kaizen, and has been recognized one of the most significant elements in GIT philosophy. Furthermore, आगे बात करते हैं तो Japanese firms tends to focus on enhancing the long-term competitiveness rather than the in phasing of the realization of the short term. जीआईटी मैनेजमेंट जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई डिग्री और कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट एम्बेडेड था इस डेवलपमेंट में। और साथ ही साथ इट इज़ द सबसे इट वाज फर्स्ट डेवलप सबसे पहले प्रेफर्ड विद टोयोटा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। तो सबसे पहले प्रेफर्ड किसने किया था विद टोयोटा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन देयर फर्दर इज टोयोटा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड it was developed by meeting consumer. It was first developed and perfect with Toyota manufacturing plants by Taiichi Ohno as means of meeting customer demands uh, with minimum delay. For this reason, Taiichi Ohno is a frequent referred to as the father of GIT. तो इन्हें एक प्रकार का father of GIT बोलते हैं, and also it has been widely reported the proper use of GIT manufacturing has resulted in increase in quality, productivity or efficiency, and also improve the communication or decrease in the cost and waste. It is improved communications and decrease in cost and waste.